Alright guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. And today, just like usually, we are doing some tutorial. And today I would like to make the 3D design tutorial with Autodesk tinkercad. So what is it used for? So this Autodesk tinkercad is be used for like 3D design printing. So we're gonna print it on the machine that will print our design. And today, let's start our tutorial. All right, so the first of all, you need this login to your account, and I was already logged into my account. But first of all, before you log in, you must sure to sign up to the tinkercad or Autodesk tinkercad. And I haven't have a design on here yet because this is my new account. So let's just create a new design. Tinkercad is really kind of simple for designing because it's just like Canva. It's more easy to use and has less option to do. And there are a lot of template that you can use for this, like you did remodel that you can put it on your 3D printing design, 3D printer. So if you guys haven't know about the 3D printer, this is how it looks. Wait a second. This is how it looks. This is the 3D printer that usually will printing what you make on the Tinkercad. And we can export it to like USB card, I mean SD card, and you can maybe put it on the uh, 3D printer. But I don't know how it works and how it can use for it. And I still haven't tried yet. I just made it on the, I just tutorial you how to make it on the Tinkercad. So here you are. We have the work plane that basically we put it on like the template. Alright, we can adjust it by here and here. As you can see over here, it's front, left, back, and top and bottom, and that's easy. You also can use mouse to do it, but unfortunately I don't have a mouse right now, so I just use my mouse pad. And what you do right now is creating something that you want to print. In here we also can make a basic shape, and we have a lot of options that we could choose, like a vehicle, creatures, and design. Also a lot of things you can do. But for today, maybe I will create something that's fun. Just start by the basic. Alright, start from the basic. We have a cube over here that you just need to drag the cube to the work plane. And as you can see here, there are some of options in the box. There are the color, which one the color do you want to choose? Is it green or is it blue or is it etc. It's others. I don't know. You can also choose, is it, do you want to make it transparent or not, or maybe you want to choose red. I just gonna choose red. But for the readiness, is make your and it how it looks your, it can change how it looks your cube. And now as you can see, the cube is become more like cycles, I think. And yeah, and steps also be used for, like, I don't know, there's nothing. Right, and like line, width, and height, and more option. And in here you already can see that Tinkercad are really easy to use. And what is this? I don't know. But this one is for the zoom out and zoom in. And you can also switch your perspective wheel like this, maybe. But this one is looking so weird, so I'm not gonna use it. Alright, also you can add in some more text over here, like putting this text into here, and text something that you want to do. I did. Now you can think like hello. I will change it to hello, and you can change the color and like egg and bevel. Look at this. That's so easy. That's basically more easy than a blender. And you can create something. Today I will just take some uh, available shapes that was created by this website. So we have eyeglasses and what again? This is a picture and character, and for the vehicle, they basically only use like wheels. They basically don't have a vehicle over here. Sorry, in here we have a bad quality of the internet, so we can load a lot of things with this assets. And today I just want to make a simple of the buildings, not making actually. I just drag it and drop it to the tinkercad. And also this one is auto save, so you don't need to uh so you don't need to do control save and again. And that is making this one is really different than blender, because this one is online, so you don't need to save it from your computer and then load it from your computer. You just need your account, and then you open it again the website, and you will find the tinkercad itself. Right, maybe guys, I will skip for this video because the internet wants me to log in, so just for a second. All right guys, I'm sorry guys, because in here we have an internet problem, so we need to pause the video and let's go back to the video again. Now here just want to make the vehicle. Look at this. For example, you want to print some of the, I just want to print some material buildings. And if you want to make some another question, like if you want to make it by yourself, you can set it up by your by the basic shape and design styles. So for this design style, there are a lot of assets that can use that can you be used for design if you don't know about the basic about it. And yeah, and also in here you can edit the grid too. What do you want to edit it to more bigger or more small? For example, like this is the starter. So if you want to try your new machine like 3D printer, you can use it this using this assets. Let me show you. So if you want to for example, I will print this number, and also I will print this number too. It's like the basic thing of the uh, 3D printing. So yeah, there we have 51 over here, and you can print it by yourself. Also here we have give, a box of give. Also we have a letter as a number, and we have a lot of things in here, and you can do it, you can do things like house. This is not house, this is like this component for a house, and you can design it by yourself. And if we example, if you want to add in some tree, and look at this. Wait a second. There we go. We have the trees over here. See, now you can print it by yourself with the 3D printer, but unfortunately I don't have a 3D printer right now, or I mean show you the 3D printing, but maybe you can do it by yourself, because I just teach you how to make this design on the tinkercad. Basically I don't need to show you the like for like the 3D design what I made. I actually was made the 3D design by myself, but unfortunately, not in this account, or maybe I just lost it. Maybe I'll show you some 3D design next time with a blender. So I only know 3D design on the blender because tinkercad is basically for only the beginner who the people don't care, don't, I mean, don't, do not know about the 3D modeling or 3D printing. And tinkercad is really supported for being like 3D printing because this one is the most supported website for doing 3D printing. And now you can import some 3D model or maybe export it. If you want to export it, you can do it with some file like .rbg, .stl, or gltf, or .glb. Or maybe you want to save it like for image, you can save it as svg. And you can import it like uh, the obj files or something that can put it on the, you can import the shapes, and you can also export it or maybe to print it. So maybe only that I can show you for this stuff. Also, what are good things about this software, I mean this website? Yes, you can make this design together with your team. Or maybe you want to teach your son how to make, your son or daughter to make 3D model on the 3D model. This ThinkCAD is perfect for you if you want to learn some 3D model or knowing about more about 3D model. And if you already know, you can make it on the big Blender. Believe me, Blender isn't hard, but if you do more practice with it, I bet you will, you will make some big creation.